Now let's look at figure 17-18 that comes out of Stallcup's Electrical Design Book, Volume 2, Supervised Installations, 215.2b3. Now the definition of a supervised location can be found in 240.2 in the NEC. But let's review the quick calc and the illustration. 215.2b3. 100% of 250 amps is 250 amps, so the load is 250 amps, connected and calculated, see. Again, our terminals are 90 degrees C for anything, over 1,000 volts, and this is 4163 phase 4-wire system. The grounding's the same. The metal water pipe is 250.52A1. 10 feet or more of it's in the earth for it to be an electrode. If 10 feet or more is not in the earth and you bring in, say, a non-metallic and convert it, say, to a metal water pipe, then you go to 250.104 to review A1 there, and you just treat it like it's an electrode anyway as far as size and conductors to it. Now, it's supplemented with a driven rod in accordance with 250.53 Diz and Dog 2. But now notice, to be able to be considered a supervised industrial type location, you have to go to 240.2 to define it, and it basically says conditions required to fall under this supervised installation is design and installation is under engineering supervision. Qualified persons to provide documented training and experience, as well as maintenance and monitoring and serving of such systems in accordance with 215.2b3. So usually we have an engineering staff supervision to ensure that people are qualified to service high voltage systems that are rated over 1,000 volts as defined in 490.2 in the NEC. So what we're looking at here, there's no 125% rule here or 80% D-rate rule at all. If you're considered a supervised industrial location under 215.2b3, and a supervised type industrial location defined in 240.2, if you fall under these conditions, then your quick type calculation can be performed, and this is exactly what this figure 17-18 is illustrating to the user of the NEC.